What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG, and as you can see, we got the S24 Ultra on deck. And as I've been making content and footage about this device, a lot of y'all been asking me a couple questions in the comments, so I wanted to make a video to address it. So I'm gonna show y'all just a couple apps that I use as far as the customization on this device go, and how I got. Everybody wants to know how I got this clock widget with the BG Tech Life logo in it. So let's get into it. First and foremost, we're going to address the elephant in the room, which is the clock widget. Now, I told y'all in a previous video, but I guess people not getting it. So, I'm going to make this video just to, everything else is cool, but we really going to address this clock widget. So, to get the clock widget, what I had to do was download an app, and we're going to go right here. As you can see, it's called Pixel Clock Widgets. Now, click on this. You get the, not now, click on Pixel Clock Widgets. I think I paid for the premium version of this because it is really dope. As you can see, they got customization, but they already got customized pixel clocks, because everybody know the best clock widget going right now is the actual Google Pixel Clock widget. That circle, that's what everybody likes. So you can see they got things already in here, customized, ready to go, ready to match your setup. But at the same time, you can go to customize, you can go to gallery and customize your own clock widget. As you can see, you can just start with different formats, different colors, different sizes, different time zones, different shapes, everything. So this is definitely something that you want to check out. Now, if I click on this side of customize, it's going to show my customized clock widget app. As you can see, all I did was added my logo to the background, and I messed with the hands and things of that nature. So you could go to text, clock, and style. And I mean, you could change everything about the clock and definitely customize the clock the way you want it to. I'm not trying to mess up what I got going on, but that should be enough to show y'all for y'all to go ahead and get started on your own customized pixel clock. So also another thing is the wallpapers. I'm just going to scroll up. We're going to go to Wallrod. Wallrod is what I use for most of my wallpapers. It's a really nice app, guys. I mean, for some reason, they may have a slow server. Sometimes the wallpapers, as you see them scrolling, they load a little slow. But I mean, I promise you, Wallrod has a lot of beautiful wallpapers and different type of collections where you can just really get those colors that pop on your home screen. A lot of times, that's what I do on my thumbnail. I try to have a wallpaper that pops, so you guys will actually look and click on the video. But this is where a lot of times I get the wallpaper from. You can look at different collections, Deer, Villains, Japan, Hero, all kind of different stuff. Space, Halloween, Minimal, Amulet, Gray. And these are just different collections in case you don't want to look through everything. You can find you something quick. So also we got one more wallpaper app that I use, and I believe they made by the same folks actually. So we're going to take it here. We're going to actually go to Blendy. Now, as you can see, Blendy right here, this is the app for different wallpapers. Click on Blendy, and Blendy, they also have just the same setup as Wallrod, just different wallpapers. And I mean, really aesthetic wallpapers. For some reason, the server is a little slow. You go to different collections, just like Wallrod, and I mean, you can find you some beautiful wallpapers on these apps, even though you're going to have to, that's one thing that I don't like about the app, that sometimes they take a long time to load up. But they do have some of the best wallpapers that I've seen so far in the game on these two apps right here. One more thing I would advise any Galaxy owner to do is also go ahead and check out an app called GoodLock. GoodLock, they have a lot of customization for different things like your lock screen and all that. I haven't got really into GoodLock too much lately, but it's here. I know one app on here that I use is called Pentastic. And Pentastic, I was using it, but I switched it back. But you can change how basically the setup is for your S Pen. Like when your S Pen menu come up, you can change it to like an old school S Pen menu. Just different forms of what used to be before this new S Pen menu. Then you can change actually the pointer on your S Pen and probably put your own picture in there. So definitely, and also change the sounds. I really wanted to touch on this clock widget because a lot of y'all been asking me that. But that's how you do it right there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. This is your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.